Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make this cute hand stamp Best Nurse Ever keychain. So once you have all your materials ready, we can start and I'll show you how we made this. This is what you will need. I use Impressart stamps. I have the uppercase and the lowercase of the font Juniper 3mm. I also have the numbers. For today's project, we won't be needing numbers, but this is good to have. Our steel block, our brass hammer, and our enamel marker. For keychains, I use these 1 1/4 inch blanks. Okay, for this keychain, we're going to be stamping Best Nurse Ever. For this blank, I'm going to be using both the uppercase and the lowercase letters. So let's begin. First, I need to look for uppercase B. And I can't forget my masking tape to hold down the blank. And I like to use double tape. Okay, so I'm going to center it. I'm going to position the tape where I want the top word to go. Okay, now we begin. This is the letter B, uppercase. I want the letter to be facing me. That's how I know that it's going to be stamped correctly. So I'm going to write best, stamp best. Give it 2 good hits. There's our B. Now we're going to get E. Again, I'm stamping the word best. I gotta look for the letter S. Okay, there's our word best. Now we're going to stamp nurse, uppercase N. Now we want the word ever. There it is, Best Nurse Ever. Now I'm going to add the nurse symbol, the caduceus. Here it is. I'm going to add it to the side right here. Now this one I need to stamp pretty hard. There it is. I'm going to use the enamel marker to fill in the letters so that they will stand out more. Okay, now we remove all the excess of the excess marker. Now I'm going to put the jump ring in and into the keychain. There it is, and I'm going to put a tassel as well. Need another jump ring. This is how it turned out. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.